Welcome to 75 Balmoral. The Balmoral is a cozy community of single-family residences and townhomes. This community is super compact, and the amenities include the stately Balmoral clubhouse, pool, gym, tennis courts, and a boutique food store. Let's have a look inside. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome boasts a massive 2,900 square feet, and it's the only property available right now with this floor plan on the market. So that's what makes it special and unique. One of my favorite features about this home is the view of Bahamas from the master bedroom's balcony.